Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from BSc Global Education. There are high chances that you are watching this video for the first time. So let me tell you about us. So we are a study abroad consultant. We help you get the admission and the visa for Canada. So in this video, I am going to talk about all the options which are available for biotechnology undergraduate program for 2 years, co-op or without co-op, Vancouver as well as Ontario region. So watch this video till the end so that you get the complete information. So we are going to talk about all the biotechnology program which are available. So let me start with Humber College. So Humber College has college diploma biotechnology. The fees is 14,829. Application fees is 75 Canadian dollars. And the next college is Centennial. Then we have Mohawk, Camosun, Conestoga, Georgian, Loyalist, Canada, Northern Alberta Institute of Technology. So in total, there are 9 colleges which has biotechnology program throughout the Canada in all the intakes. So आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं जो आप अवेल कर सकते हो. The only thing is you need to make the application on time. So as you know कि कनाडा में there are major 3 intakes Jan, May and September and application start as early as 8 to 9 months before the intake start date. तो आप लोगों को आपकी एप्लीकेशन जो है वो टाइम से करनी होगी. सो इन कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई करने के लिए आपके पास मैथ्स होना चाहिए, आपके पास पीसीएम होना चाहिए या पीसीएमबी. तो आप इन कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सॉरी, पीसीबी नहीं, क्योंकि मैथ्स इज द रिक्वायरमेंट. ऑल्सो द IELTS रिक्वायरमेंट इज ओनली 6 bands ईच. सो हर मॉड्यूल में आपका 6 bands ईच होना चाहिए. सो whenever you wish to apply for these colleges, आप लोग नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. I can do the profile shortlisting and tell you if you are eligible to apply for that particular course or not. अगर इसके अलावा भी किसी और कॉलेज के लिए या फिर किसी और कोर्स के लिए आपको हेल्प चाहिए होगा, that also we can do. Also, I can help you get the visa easily. So we'll try and file the visa under SDS norms. अगर आपका किसी एक मॉड्यूल में 5.5 है, then also you can consult and we would be able to guide you कि आप किस कॉलेज में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So application process is very simple. All you need to do is you need to send your 10th, 12th passport and IELTS score. I will share the list of the documents required for the application, and based on that we are going to apply. Application fees is up to you. You want to pay through your credit card or you want us to use ours, you can just UPI the payment to our account and we can do the application. There is no problem. So whatever way you think कि जो आपके लिए convenient है, we can follow that. This list is going to help you no matter which intake you are looking for. You can still look at this list जो आपकी स्क्रीन पर है कि किन किन कॉलेजेस में बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का प्रोग्राम अवेलेबल है, and you would be able to apply there by the help of our counselors. So we have a lot of experienced counselors who have spent years in the industry. So we are bringing out the best talent so that we are able to help you with each and every step. तो जो भी जहाँ भी आपको पूरी जर्नी में कोई भी कंसर्न होगी, we are there to help you out for the entire process, from shortlisting the university, making the application to the college, getting your offer letter, helping you with the education loan, forex, helping you transfer the funds, writing your SOP. We will help you, give you the sample SOP. आप उसमें से देखकर अपने खुद का एक SOP तैयार कर सकते हो, and our counselors will give you the feedback that how you can improve it. So it's a complete end-to-end process, and then we'll file for your visa, and hopefully that we would be able to get your visa. So as long as you have good marks, you're applying to a good college, you write a good SOP and you put your dedication towards the process, you would be getting the visa without any problem. So without any further ado, we shall apply. We want to wish you all the best for your study abroad journey, and if you have liked this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to VSC Global Education, and we shall see you in our next video. Till then, you take care of yourself and do watch our other videos so that you get a lot of knowledge about the whole process. Thank you.